The Vlookup function is used to search for a specific value in the first column of a table and return a corresponding value from another column. Vlookup is used for Number 1. Searching for specific data. Number 2. Combining data from different tables. Number 3. Data validation and checking. Number 4. Creating dynamic reports and dashboards. Number 5. Categorizing data automatically. Let's start. Select cell B2 and type equals Vlookup, start parenthesis. Now you can see all the arguments required for Vlookup. First argument is lookup value, the value you want to search for in the first column. Second argument is table array, the range where the data is located, including the column to return data from. Third argument is column index number, the column number, from the left of table array, from which to retrieve the value. Fourth argument is range lookup. That is optional for approximate match or exact match. We use true for approximate match and false for exact match. Now select lookup value, comma, select table array, comma, column index number. We have total 5 column in our table of array, but we want employee name that is 2, comma, false for exact match, close parenthesis, and hit enter. Now if you will change the code, it will change the employee name automatically. Type any code and check the name of employee will change. To apply formula for department, the syntax for formula will be same, but the column index number will be 3. I am going to type formula. Let's have a look and try to understand it. Now select the formula and press Ctrl+C for copy the formula. Double-click the cells where you want to apply formula. And press Ctrl+V for paste and hit enter. Repeat this step and paste the formula to other cells. Now change the column index number 3 to 4 and 3 to 5 for exact value. Now if you will change the employees' IDs, it will change all the other field automatically. Hope you have understand the complete Vlookup formula. In my next tutorial I will talk about the errors in Vlookup and how to remove these errors. Like and subscribe my channel for further important function. Thanks for watching.